Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me, Krishna, again in this channel. Okay, so this time I'm still in Kuta area and I would like to show you, or let's see sunset later guys, because the weather is very good today in Kuta. And I'll show you the weather. Look at this. Hopefully later we can see sunset, and let's see what is happening at the beach guys. But since still very hot at the beach, so I will go to the beach walk and let's see what is happening, because there are so many people visiting beach walk. So let's go and see it. Don't go anywhere and let's watch until the end of this video. So this is the front side of Beachwalk Mall. As you can see, quite a lot of people here. And let's go inside and let's see what is happening at Beachwalk Mall, guys. And here they have the security check. Look at this guys, it's pool and beer. Basically shopping area. I mean this area, most of the branded what you call that, outlets, like this one. And here on the right side, this is for the kids. Look at that guys, there are a lot of kids there. I'm just wondering why so many people like to visit this Beachwalk Mall. Maybe there is a big discount or something. And here is 50% discount. Lacoste, how do you pronounce it? Lacoste or Lacoste? Here what you can see guys, if you go up you can see the cinema, salon and beauty, and also tourist information. So let's just walk around here. Here they have ice cream as well. It's 40k per stick. Anyone like to have ice cream? And they have big pond here guys with a lot of fishes, but I don't know if we can feed them. Here they have H&M, but there's no discount sign, yeah? Maybe inside, yeah? Anyway, there are so many malls actually in south area of Bali. This is the most famous mall. In Kuta itself, there are quite, how many malls? Like 3 or 4 I think. It's Lipo Mall Kuta, and then Discovery Mall, and Bali Mall Galleria, which is I mean not really close from here actually for the Discovery, I mean the Bali Mall Galleria. And this one, the Beachwalk Mall, is very famous guys. I think because of the location, yeah. It's very close to the beach, so after you go to the mall, you can just go to the beach to see sunset like what I'm doing it now. It's still too hot at the beach, so let's go and see what they have here at the Beachwalk Mall. Apple store guys, and here are shoes. here is another ice cream. And look at this, guys. It's the Mara Village Ubud Alaya. I think it's kind of like a property company. And this is the miniature here. Anybody of you want to have villa maybe? And if you like to go to the restaurant, they have there on the second floor, I think they have a lot of restaurants. And also here, just by the road, when you pass by Beachwalk Mall, you will see the restaurants area, guys. So where you can enjoy your food, drinks, and while enjoying the view of the beach, or more to see the streets, actually, to see the traffic. Here is the restaurant area. See, there are a lot of people here by this time, guys. It's not even the dinner time, but they like to enjoy their time here. By the cafe, the restaurant. This is Starbucks, BC Cafe. I think someone asked me about this journal here. I don't know, I think it's open. So you see, there are a lot of people here. But I think this place is not for me to do shopping yet because the price is quite high. But however, maybe the quality is good. That's why the quality follows the price, maybe. Okay, so let's go to see the beach area, guys. Okay, so this is Kuta Beach. This is the situations at the moment. Hopefully we will see sunset soon. And this is the pedestrian or the sidewalk, but unfortunately it's not fully done yet. You need to be careful when you walk, guys, because some of these pedestrian shops, you need to wear shoes or slippers at least, because it's not fully finished, guys. And most of you know, I think, what you can do here at Kuta Beach. You can do sunbathing, you can do tattoo temporary or temporary tattoo, like that gentleman offering, and you can do massage. But again, guys, you need to ask the price first. And if you think it's okay, or you want to do some bargaining, you may do so. So the price is clear from the beginning. But unfortunately, there are a lot of rubbish here. I think because of the big rain in a few days, and also the very strong wind. But I believe that the government will clean it very soon, guys, so people can enjoy this beach without any garbage or trash. And there are a lot of small kind of like drink sellers where you can buy your drinks, and you can sit here, like in these chairs, if you buy drinks from this small bar guys, or what you call this, drink sellers. Hello. And as you can see, I recognize there are not so many how to say international tourists, yeah, mostly domestic tourists that visiting this Kuta Beach. Not really sure, maybe the ticket is still expensive, so it's hard for the people to come to Bali. So hopefully the situations will be better, the tickets to Bali will be cheaper, so that I can see you guys, more tourists in Bali. Ya, nah, nanti dah. Nah, this gentleman selling drinks in Kuta.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bali. Yeah.
Minum, suruh minum.
Ya, nanti lah. Jalan-jalan dulu.
Mana cewek apa?
So, this guy sell, ini jual apa ini ya?
Coconut.
Itu berapa satu? Coconutnya. Nah. Ini saya mau masuk ini.
Kayak mana mas? Ini mau promosinya atau kayak mana?
Ya boleh, ini saya upload di YouTube. Ini berapa satu?
50.
Berapa?
50.
Benar nih 50.
Apa sih saya?
Okay, he said the price of this coconut is 50,000 rupiah. And how about this beer?
Bintang 40.
40,000. Okay.
45.
45,000.
Extra 20. 15.
Ah, okay.
20. 50.
50. Okay. So if people buy drinks
Yes.
and coconuts,
Yes.
so they can sit
Yes, I give you some chair.
here, like
Yes.
this chair with umbrella.
Yes.
And also, sunbed.
Some is different.
Sunbed is different.
Yes.
How much people need to pay?
100,000 per hour.
For 1 hour?
Yes.
Okay. I spoke with a gentleman earlier and he told us about the price of his drinks. He's selling coconuts and bintang and also other drinks, and how to say the price of the what you call that, sunbed as well. He said 100,000 rupiah per hour. I'm not really sure those prices. I mean, for all the people here selling the same price, but you can try. And regarding the price, if it's expensive or not, of course, if you compare Kuta and other area in Bali, like remote area, of course Kuta is more expensive, I think, but maybe that price is the normal price here for the Kuta. I leave it all up to you guys, where you want to spend your money in Bali. Okay everyone, that's all for today's video from this area in Kuta. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.